Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got a 95, 97 F-150 5-speed transmission here. We've got a couple cracks in the bell housing because the clutch went bad and they just kept driving it. So we're going to see what we can do about getting that repaired. So I'm going to give y'all a close-up look at the cracks here. We've got a crack starting about right here, runs down, goes inside there, comes back around, cracked on the outside, and then follows all the way up to around in here somewhere. Then we've got a crack right here, forms and goes down, stops on the outside right in this area, and then on the inside it goes down and then ends up coming on down just a little bit right around in here. You can just barely see the crack right there. So we're gonna see what we can do with it, so y'all stick around. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get as close as I can to the top of this crack that I can see with my flashlight, and I'm gonna drill a small hole up there in order to stop it from cracking any farther. So that's our next step right now. All right, I've got these cracks as clean as I can get them. Wire brushed them twice. Once with my dirty brush first, then cleaned them all up, then put my good clean brush on and done them again. Acetoned them twice. So that's about as clean as all this is gonna get. So now I'm gonna get the welder set up and we're gonna get started doing some TIGging. All right, here's some of the welds. This outside edge right here, it was really dirty. It bubbled a lot, so I had to grind it. This top side got pretty good, but the inside seemed to do better than the inside seemed to do better than the outsides for some reason. But yeah, I got it all welded up right there. Got this outside. This outside looks okay. But hey, it's gonna work. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching my video today. I didn't get as much footage as I wanted, but hey, it was kind of awkward getting all these welding shots. I got some, but it turned out pretty good, and hey, it's gonna keep on rolling. So y'all have a good one. Thank you.